LogRecord does not have expected fields. In Python using the logging module, the documentation promises that LogRecord instances will have a number of attributes, which are explicitly listed in the documentation. However, it appears that this is not always true. When I do not use the logging module's a basic config, a method, the program below shows that the attributes askTime and message are not present in the log records that are passed to the log handler's emitter method. Running this on Python 3 gives What is going on here? Did I misunderstand the documentation? What needs to be done to make sure that the LogRecord instances have their askTime and message attributes as promised?
It is responsibility of the formatter to set askTime and message so prior to calling self.format record those attributes are undefined. From the doc of the format method, the records attribute dictionary is used as the operand to a string formatting operation. Returns the resulting string. Before formatting the dictionary, the couple of preparatory steps are carried out. The message attribute of the record is computed using message%adds. If the formatting string contains askTime format time, it is called to format the event time. Since your example code does not call self.format record, it is therefore expected behavior that those attributes are undefined. To have message and askTime set, you must first call self.format record inside the emit method. Please try.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.